Hi, hello, and welcome everyone to my channel of Profound Insights, a journey of learning, inspiration, and discovery where you can learn, grow, and share. Before we proceed further, please click on the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to get a notification of insight content, and this will encourage me to come up with more such videos. Without further delay, let's jump right in. 7 ways to make yourself indispensable in the workplace. Introduction. Work is an environment in which you can easily feel like part of the pack. Set yourself apart from the herd by demonstrating your leadership skills and indispensability. Employees who showcase a positive attitude, timelessness, hard work, and helpfulness are crucial to making the wheels turn in an organization. Tune in to the following 7 tips to see how you can make a greater impact in your workplace and set yourself up for advancement opportunities. Make the most of yourself. Help in any way you can in your workplace. Expand your scope to help outside of your comfort zone. This helpfulness can spark a new interest in other departments or projects. If you have any downtime, walk around and introduce yourself to people you haven't met in other departments. Ask a few questions about their role in the company. You never know what opportunities will arise from an unknown source. Keep a positive attitude. Positivity is underrated and sometimes hard to come by in certain work environments. Remember, though you can deliberately choose positivity every time, and top performers always do. Associate with winners. In other words, people in the company who can uplift you rather than drag you down. You can create a positive motto that you live your life by. Get involved in yoga or other activities that encourage a healthy and happy lifestyle. You must wake up with your feet on the ground and in a positive state of mind because, unfortunately, negative things will be thrown at you all day long. Learn from your mistakes and don't be afraid to share them. I truly believe that everything happens for a reason, and this includes mistakes as well. The reality is that mistakes are a part of business and life. The secret is not seeing a mistake as something negative but learning from it. When people give you feedback and point out your errors, receive it with open arms and thank them for their feedback. At the same time, be honest with people and give them feedback as well. The more we all share, the better we all become. When the next opportunity comes, reflect on what you learned from the previous experience and the feedbacks you received, then demonstrate the required improvements. Demonstrate strong values. Perhaps the most important part of being an indispensable employee is the values you live by professionally and personally. After all, skills can be taught, but values you either have or you don't. Some examples of strong values. Dishonesty is never an option. Be dependable. Say what you mean and mean what you say. Keep your word. Always give it your all. Treat others how you want to be treated. Accept responsibilities and don't blame others. Do the right things. Adapt to situations that arise. Planning always pays off, but it is just as priceless to be a member of the team that can change at a moment's notice. Workplaces often have a client's needs change or the abrupt addition of a new project. Supervisors need employees who can respond at the drop of a hat. Thinking on your feet is an indispensable skill and marks you as a strong leader in your office. How you react under pressure and change directions on the spot says a lot about you. Your colleagues and clients are always watching, so show them you can handle whatever is thrown your way. Stay true to your word. Keeping your commitments is important. It is okay not to take on every commitment possible, it is preferred. Offer your help, but don't overextend yourself. You want to establish boundaries with your co-workers while also letting them know how you can be of assistance. Do what you say you will do and you will gain respect and further opportunities in your career path. Employers want to know they hired someone who can execute on their word. Set yourself apart from the herd in every way possible. In every organization, there seems to be that one person that everyone knows is different or special, but in a good way. He or she is the go to person, the one who stands out from all the others. Although this person has strong skills, a closer look reveals something else. It comes down to relationships. Everyone seems to like him. He has made a point to go out of his way and get to know his co-workers and management. The one who focuses on good business ethics says please and thank you. It is the one who will do anything for the good of the team. Aspire to be this person because great things happens when you set yourself apart from the crowd. It can also be too easy to feel disposable in many workplaces. Make yourself or your own work to feel secure and indispensable in your job. Strong communication and taking initiatives can go a long way when fostering relationships professionally. Commit yourself to making a difference at your company, and good things will follow, and wish you all the best. I hope you found this video helpful. As we wrap up, remember the journey doesn't end here. Explore more videos at Profound Insights under the Career Conversations Navigating Success playlist. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe for more content, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support motivates me to create more videos. Until next time, stay inspired and keep reaching for the stars. Thank you.